Hey there guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. So in today's video, we are going to navigate some pretty choppy waters with the subject matter that I'm going to be sharing with you today. That is the 3 newbie habits that are keeping you stuck. Now, I have to tell you this. I don't really like making these kind of videos, but the truth of the matter is that sometimes someone has to tell us what we need to hear, not just what we want to hear. So another thing that I want to share with you before I get into this video is that I was a newbie once too. So there is nothing that I am going to share in this video that I haven't done myself. The only difference is that finally, after a lot of trial and error, a lot of time wasted, and honestly, a lot of kicking myself for not taking action sooner, I've finally overcome the challenges that I'm going to share with you in this video today. So if you have eyes to see and ears to hear, and you want some free mentoring in this video, and you are ready to navigate those choppy waters with me and really buckle down and hear some truth that will help move your business forward, then keep on watching. Again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. All right, guys and gals, so let's dig right in. The reason that I made this video is because someone asked me the other day, and you may be watching, and hey, it's totally okay. Listen, I'm telling you, I've been there, I've done that, I've asked these questions. I have sat on the other side watching people take action while I was stuck. So this is nothing that, you know, I'm trying to be holier than thou or any of that stuff. I am coming to you from experience. But the reason that I want to share this with you is because sometimes when someone gives us an outside perspective and you know, shares the truth with us, it will motivate us to make the changes that we have to make in order to move our business forward. Okay, so with that being said, I deliver this with as much love and compassion as possible because I've been there. So with that being said, the reason that I'm making this video is because someone asked me the other day, you know, what is your secret? How is it that you sponsored 253 people in just 1 year inside of your business? And this is a question that I get pretty frequently. How did you do it? How did you do it? Like, what's the secret? And the truth of the matter is that there is no secret. There is nothing that I haven't shared on my YouTube channel that I don't do. There is nothing that I don't share in my Rise Branding Academy that is absolutely free to enroll in that I don't do myself. Literally everything that I come here on my YouTube channel and share with you is something that I have personally done myself. This isn't theory, this isn't rhetoric, this is what I've done personally to get the results that I've gotten. So with that being said, number one, a lot of us spend way more time looking for the shortcut than actually doing the work. Let's face it, we live in an instant society. We want to get our messages right now. We want to drive while texting because we can't miss out on that important message that just can't wait till we get to a red light. We are in a society that you can microwave your food and have it in 4 minutes, where you can get a fast pass and get to the front of the line. We're living in a day and age where nobody wants to wait for anything. And that's just not the way nature works. See, if you go ahead and you plant a seed outside, you have to water it, you have to nurture it, you have to give it sunlight, you have to wait until that plant sprouts out of the ground. And unless you have some sort of chemical agent that will kind of trick the plant into growing faster, we have to wait. There is a season of sowing and there is a season of reaping. And if you want to reap an abundant harvest, then you need to spend serious time and dedicated time into sowing. The reason that I've been able to sponsor 253 people in my first year inside of my company is because I sowed and I sowed and I sowed and I sowed. And as time went on, I began to reap the rewards. A lot of us, what we do is we don't want to wait. So what do? We run around kind of chasing our tails, right? Looking to see what is going to make us money like right now. So we never focus on one strategy, one thing. We don't stick to the methodical so that it will eventually result in the success that you're looking for. So spend less time trying to look for the shortcut, which is actually going to delay your results and it's going to delay your prize. Instead of running around looking for the shortcut to try to make a quick buck, we must stand firmly planted in the ground and start growing roots. Because once you start growing roots, you will bear fruit. There's just no escaping it. Number 2 pretty much plays off the heels of number 1, and that is we spend too much time chasing money. And believe me guys, I'm guilty. I've been there. I've done that. When I first got started, I was really in desperation mode. I had just invested $2,000 in a high ticket program, and then I threw away $500 in Google AdWords that didn't work. And then I went on to invest yet another $2,000 in mentoring. And that's when things got serious. I stopped chasing the money and I started focusing on improving myself and increasing my skill set. So rather than chasing money, which is really not going to end up in anywhere fruitful for the long term, we have to stop and focus on improving our skill sets, because that is the most valuable thing that you bring to the table, your skill sets. Because once you learn a skill, there is nothing, no one that can take that away from you. See, I invested time and money and energy into learning video marketing. So guess what? Video marketing has paid me over and over and over again. It's a skill that I developed that helps me make money. So money alone, the opportunity alone is not going to help you. So rather than chasing the money, focus on improving your skill set, because once you improve your skill set, you will be able to really generate money on command, because now you understand how things work. You have the skill set to create funnels and do marketing and drive traffic. So rather than looking out there for the solution, start in here and start really investing in yourself. You are that first plant that you have to put into the ground, okay, and water and nurture and really, you know, take care of, because honestly, your business is a reflection of your growth, and your results are going to be a direct reflection of what you've done, who you've become, how you've grown, and the skill sets that you've developed. So look at your business as, what does this say about me? What does my business say about me? When I look back and I see that I've sponsored over 253 people, you know, I'm super grateful, and still, honestly, I just can't believe that I did it, because I have never, ever been consistent. I have always struggled with showing up. I have always struggled with staying committed to anything for a long amount of time, because if I wasn't making money fast enough, I would literally go into desperation mode. So I know what that feels like. But honestly, it wasn't until I buckled down and firmly planted myself and started to grow roots that things started to really take off for me. So I highly recommend that you stop focusing on chasing the money, and if you don't have any skill sets right now, focus on investing in yourself. Once you do, I promise things will go faster the better that you get. Like the great Jim Rohn said, don't wish it were easier, work on being better. And then the third thing that I find keeps people stuck or getting, you know, like mediocre results. Like you'll make a few bucks now and then you won't make any money next month. That was me. I would like make money and I would be so excited, and then guess what? A month or two would pass by and I wouldn't make anything. So it was a struggle for me. And honestly, that is a heart issue. It's not a mindset issue. It's what is going on in here. And I'm sure a lot of people don't really talk about that, but this is what motivates you to take action.
If this is empty, this doesn't matter.
And this is what really determines the long-term results. And it also motivates the type of actions that you take. For me, it's about looking for the whole entire package. And that means building a business that is founded on a purpose, right? This is what a lot of people are lacking. They don't build their business rooted in a purpose. See, my purpose is to touch, move, and inspire people from all around the world to use their gifts, talents, and abilities through digital marketing to build a business that they love that also allows them to have a life. So when I am speaking to you, I'm speaking to that person inside that knows that there's more to life than waking up, paying bills, and dying. You want to have a purpose. You want to feel fulfilled in your life. You want to experience joy in your business. And until you really sit down and analyze, what is my purpose? Why am I here? Why did I decide to start a online business? What is honestly, my heart set, my motivating factor? What is it? Well, it could be a lot of things. For me, I want to literally break that cycle that has been, inside my family, where the next generation kind of struggles more than the last. And I want to break that for my kids. So for me, it's about taking care of my family and being present for my family, something that even though I was home, I struggled with, because I was always chasing the dollar. I was always chasing the business. I was always chasing success rather than standing firmly planted, improving my skill set, leading with value, and let it come to me. So that is basically all I have to share with you today. I know that some of the things are not easy to hear, but trust me, when I paid my first $2,000 to hire a mentor, I had to get a lot of truth. I had to receive a lot of truth, and I could not deny that they were right. I was running around, I was chasing money, I was not consistent, I was not, showing up every single day with a purpose. And once they taught me that, and once I realized, what, I have to admit, you're right. It's me. I have to do something about it. I have to change, And so once I did, with also the help of my faith, which, really helps me through everything, and it is the foundation of my business, things really changed for me. So I tell you this with the utmost love and compassion. Wherever it is that you are on your journey, really have a heart check. What is your motivating factor for building an online business? If it's just to pay bills, you have got to go deeper than that, because if you can't pay your bills with this one thing, you will be on the continuous search for the next big thing, hoping that you'll get quick results. And you may get lucky and make a couple bucks here and there, but unless you develop those long-term skill sets, and unless you really get focused and start sowing into your business and investing into the future of your business, it may be a case of here today, gone tomorrow, and you don't want that. You want to create longevity. You want to build a business that also allows you to have a life and that will be here for a long time. So if you have any struggles with really gaining clarity and approaching your business with a purpose, I created a free training. It's absolutely free to take. Basically what it is how to figure out what are the multiple streams of income inside your business, how to get clarity around your business, how to add income streams that coincide with your core offers and that also keep you aligned with your purpose, so that as you go out there to build your business, you are doing it intentionally, right? So if you want to check out that free training, I will have a link right below, or you can go to www.risewithbarbie.com/get-clear, and that will really help walk you through getting clear in your business. So if this helped you, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit the notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time I upload a video. And if you want to learn more about what I'm doing and align yourself with the company where I was able to thankfully sponsor over 253 people in my first year in business, and align yourself with our team and learn a little bit more about what we do, I will have a link right below this video that you can check out as well. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video. Bye.